friends, Arpita here. Welcome back to my channel. After a long time I am reviewing the FabBag today. Yes, so here is the January FabBag for 2018. So I thought I'll unbox with you guys. So I have not seen what I have got inside my FabBag for January. I just removed the cotton box and here is a pouch. So let's quickly start and see what are the stuffs I got for this month in the FabBag. For those who don't know what is FabBag is a beauty subscription box. So you can order 1 month, 3 months, 6 months or 12 months subscription with them. They will give you a lot of goodies and also sample products. It is related to beauty with every higher brand or something like that. And if you subscribe for more months, you'll be getting a higher discount as well. So let's quickly see what I got in January 2018 FabBag. So the pouch looks very decent size and it has a beautiful champagne gold color. And I feel the bag has a little space than the previous one. Previous pouches were quite small compared to this one. This is a beautiful travel pouch, we can say. It has a beautiful material going on with a beautiful color as well. I loved it. So let's quickly open it. So these are the products I got in FabBag. As I told, this bag is very spacious. So let's quickly see the products. So first of all, I got this 2 cards. They will be going on some contest of FabBag. You can post the pictures of all the products you got in FabBag, so you will have a chance to win the goodies. And here is the list of the product which I got in this month. So when I ordered the January FabBag, I got a option to select a combo pack which included the 2 cosmetic products. So I already know which are the 2 products I'll be getting it. So I won't read out this now. As we see the products, we will see the price list as well. So this month's theme is the beauty blowout January FabBag. It's a beautiful picture right over here. Okay, let's see the product quickly. That comes into my hand is this soap. This is from the brand Nirvana handmade soap, and this is aloe vera and neem. It's a full size product and this cost for 150 rupees. So let's quickly open and show you how the product looks like. Once I open it, this is what the product looks like. As it is a handmade soap, I can see the neem chunks on the soap and it smells great. So this is what the product looks like. You can see the neem chunks going on all over the soap. I'm very excited to try this out, and neem is very good for acne, and I do have an acne pore skin, so I'm very happy with it. The next product is from the brand Vedanticka. It's an herbal neem grass face wash, and this is sample size product. Yeah, it's of 150 ml, and for 150 ml it's cost 150 rupees. This is a quite decent size to try out, I feel. So the ingredient I can see is oh my god, so it says lemongrass and palazon oil are known for an antimicrobial, antifungal, antiseptic therapeutic properties. Pure aloe vera gel hydrates the skin and making face soft and brightens the skin. Yeah, so it contains the lemongrass and also aloe vera. That is a good thing. It says manufacturing date is 2007 December and we can use for 24 months. Yeah, I am happy with this as well because I'll be using a lot of Ayurvedic face washes, face masks, because as I told, I have a very acne pore skin and also dry skin, so this is a good one to try out. Product is a lipstick. This is from Bella Vaste. As I told, when I ordered the FabBag, I got an option to select. So the next product is from the brand Bella Vaste, and it is a lipstick. As I told, when I ordered the FabBag, I got an option to select a combo, so I selected this one. This is the Bella Vaste lipstick, chubby stick, and along with this was a sugar highlighter. There were other options to select the sugar bronzer with the sugar lipstick as well, but I wanted to try the sugar highlighter, so I went with this combo pack. As I told, it's a Bella Vaste Ultimate Chubby stick. So this is what the product looks like. It's a somewhat orange in shade. So this how it looks. Let me swatch it for you guys. This is how the swatch looks like. As I told, it has a very pink undertone to it with the orange thing. It says it's an ulti matte, but I don't think so. It has a matte finish. I can see a little bit of shimmer going on. That's fine. It is very creamy, very soft, and I love the shade as well. So this retails for 499 rupees. Yeah. So this is the next product. As I told, it's in combo with this lipstick. This is the sugar highlighter. I'm very excited to try this. This is what the packaging looks like. Once you open up, you have a magnetic box. See that? And this is what the product looks like. I'm so happy with the shade. This is in the shade 02 Gold Glory. So it says Contour the Force Mini Highlighter. So this is what the shade looks like, and I feel it's perfectly suits for medium skin tone. For a lighter skin tone, it may be too light, but a medium skin tone, it works best. So let me swatch it for you guys. Wow, did you see the glow? It's very creamy. Just a swatch and here is the glow. I'm very happy, and it transfers the best to the hand. Ooh, I'm super happy. You will be seeing me using it a lot in my upcoming makeup tutorials. So this is what the product. So the final product is from the brand Acnes. It says foaming face wash, purifying, controls oils and removes the germs. And this is a sample product. They have sent the 2 sachet, and this retails for 5 rupees each. Yeah, this is a very travel friendly. Yes. So that's it. My fab bag is empty right now. I am very happy with this month, especially with the sugar highlighter and also this face wash and the handmade soap. So this month's fab bag gets a huge thumbs up from my side. So that's it for today's video. Hope you have enjoyed. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and hit that bell button next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.